Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw for Insider Travel Report, and I'm here in Seoul at the Virtuoso Symposium, and I'm here with a woman who really runs this whole thing, and believe me, you also run other big Virtuoso meetings, Jennifer Campbell, who is the Senior Vice President Global Events for Virtuoso. And Virtuoso has lots of great events for its travel advisors. We're going to talk to Jennifer about this particular event and maybe some others and a whole lot more on Insider Travel Report. Jennifer, first of all, I've known you a long time, and we used to go on when you were in the training and education thing. I think I did the Virtuoso specialist course a little bit. We did that a long time ago. But now you're in charge of really these, one thing that Virtuoso does so well, all of these wonderful events. And now it's not just Symposium and obviously Travel Week, but you've got, we'll talk about that. But talk a little bit about, first here, why did Virtuoso choose Seoul for this symposium?
Yeah, Symposium is really, we make a decision, James, based on the destination and the commitment we have from the destination. We always are looking for hot emerging destinations.
And this one is.
Exactly, and the Korean Tourism Organization and the partners here were just so invested in making this a luxury destination and inviting the virtuosos around the world to come explore, and it just felt like the right decision.
And I ended up doing a little tour beforehand, and I've been experiencing it throughout this symposium. It was a destination I truly wanted to visit because I'd never been here.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's the combination of tradition and modern is just really exciting, and our members and partners seem to be loving it.
I'm sure, because this is really a unique destination, Seoul, and it is a luxury destination, as we've all learned. Now, talk a little bit about overall, how many events does Virtuoso put on every year?
So for 2026, we'll have over 90 events around the world, and those will bring together about 13,000 members and partners for connection.
Yeah, so that is an amazing. I mean, I've always known this symposium. Obviously, I've known Travel Week and its predecessors, and those are the ones I always usually attend. But then I realized you're doing regionals, you're doing all kinds of things around the world. You're doing other. I think you even have other travel weeks around the world, right?
We don't have any travel weeks around the world yet. We have Virtuoso Travel Week on tour. We kind of drop the travel week. So what we do is bring Virtuoso Travel Week to the regions around the world, because not everyone can come. For the U.S. market, it's really easy to get on a flight and come to Las Vegas. The Australian market or the Asia market, it's a little bit more of a commitment.
So we try and bring Australians come to Vegas.
Oh, they do. No, they all come. It's just how many can come every year.
Thank you, Jennifer. This has been a great conference. And now we're going to take a look back at all the sights and sounds that we experienced here in Seoul. I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.